Sine of theta is y over r, cosine of theta is x over r, and tangent of theta is y over x. In this definition, remember that we have an angle theta. This is called the terminal side or terminal rate. It is a half of a line, and we need to pick a point in that rate, a point xy. And by definition, r is the square root of x squared plus y squared. Then with this we can show some identities already. For example, if we take this equation and square it, we get that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. And then if we divide by r squared, we get r squared over r squared equal x squared over r squared plus y squared over r squared. That means that x over r squared plus y over r squared is equal to 1. This is cosine of theta squared plus sine of theta squared is equal to 1. Usually we write, instead of writing cosine of theta squared, we write cosine squared of theta. Same thing. Then we have this identity, cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta equal 1. This is maybe the most famous identity for trigonometry. We also have things like tangent of theta. We know that is y over x, but since sine of theta is y over r and cosine of theta is x over r, then we have that y is equal to r sine of theta and x is r cosine of theta. That means that tangent of theta is y, that is r sine of theta divided by x, but x is r cosine of theta. This is the r cancel and we get sine of theta over cosine of theta.